Hello everybody, my name is Dera Tube. I'm from Ethiopia. I had completed my master's degree in hydraulic and water resource engineering from Bahar University and PhD degree in meteorology science from Arbaminch University. Currently I am working as a young expert, working for the Blue Deal Awash Partnership Program, in coordinating projects in the Awash River region. In this program I have got plenty of knowledge and experience in the international context. Previously, I had been working for the Amhara National Regional State Water and Energy Bureau in the expert as well as in the director level. When I was in leading the water source management, water source and basin management directorate as a director, I had the responsibilities of leading all the overall water source management projects in hand. So I had got the opportunity to work on water source modeling and simulation. I'm very capable of working on that area. Especially I have experience on surface water and groundwater source modeling. So I have a good motivation to work towards this area, and I have capacity to work and with different researchers and in collaboration with different disciplines. We know in the African context, in Africa there are pressing issues like water scarcity, not only water scarcity but also the water disputes, transboundary disputes, and also water use conflicts among the regions. So I know Africa very well, and I'm very keen to work on this area since we have finite water sources. So to use our water sources in a sustainable way, we have to know the amount, the quality and the quantity in hand. So this I'm very happy to join the Grow PhD program because the program aligns with my vision, not only to give me the opportunity to work in multidisciplinary research, but also pave the way for me immersed on these research areas. Thank you for your attention.